Hello YouTube, Steve here. You are very familiar with this type of cheap little battery capacity tester. You can easily make this work like this, but it is little messy to work with. So in this video, we are gonna build a solid 18650 battery capacity tester with 2 discharge load setting. Without jumper, it will discharge at 500 mAh, and with jumper, it will discharge at 1 amp. Very neat, right? Let's build it. I used Easy EDA to create the PCB board, and then I used PCB GoGo service to manufacture my PCB board. Currently PCB GoGo is offering 1 to 2 layer PCB with dimension of 100 into 100 mm just for $5. For this project I have used a PCB board made using PCB GoGo service, and you can see the quality, it's just mind blowing. A battery capacity tester board, it comes with 2 load resistance, each 5 watt and 7.5 ohms. A 18650 battery holder, a male header, and some PCB standoffs. I will leave all the part list with purchasing link in the description below, you can check that out. That's all for today's guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for next video.